Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and share to your friends. Thank you very much. So today we'll be talking about how to use Stochastic RSI to predict the crypto markets. So before we do that, I will teach us how to add Stochastic RSI indicator on your trading view. So if you don't have trading view, go to Google Play Store. That's for people that are using Android. Go to Google Play Store, search for trading view, download it, sign up with your email and log in. Then you come to this place under chat, or you could just the first thing after you have downloaded your trading view, go to watch list. You will see this plus sign at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, then search for WKC. That's or you can just search for WikiCat, depending on so you can see, you just search for WikiCat and you can see this KCEX spot crypto. Then you can just tap on the plus sign in front of it and it will add it for you. Then you just come to chat, you click chat, then it will bring you to this page here. So once you get to this page here, all you just need to do is click on this icon. If you look down under this October, you see these two parallel lines. This icon, just tap on it, then you click on indicators. So once you click on indicators, I have some favorite indicators here, but let's say you don't have anything on your own. Just come to this search button and search for Stochastic RSI. So once you start typing it, it will display it like this, and all you just need to do is just tap on it so that it can be added to your chart. I hope you are following. So now I'm going to go ahead now and add it to my chart. Stochastic RSI added to the chart. Now I'll go back and now you can see it's actually there. Now how do we use this Stochastic RSI to predict the crypto market? Now if you look at this WikiCat chart, it's currently in a downtrend, but it's building a momentum. Very soon it's going to bump up. Now let me show you something. Look at this line that I'm moving. Look at this line I'm moving. Now look at this top. This top, you can see. So let's say this stochastic RSI was here. Now I will know that the market was going to go down, and it will come down like this, Now look at what WikiCat coin did here. When WikiCat coin got to this all-time high, 60.4867, what happened? WikiCat coin started dropping. Then it's now ranging like this till this present moment. So look at this Stochastic RSI below. So once this Stochastic RSI comes to this low point and this yellow line cross the blue line to the upside, you just know that the coin is going to buy. Do you get it? Anytime it crosses each other at the bottom, make sure it's at the bottom. Anytime it crosses each other at the bottom, the yellow line crosses the blue line at the bottom, just know that it is time to buy that crypto. I use this Stochastic RSI to predict the movement of Bitcoin, Ethereum and some other cryptocurrencies. So but I basically use it for WikiCat coin. So now what happened? You can see it starts going up. That was why you saw WikiCat coin started going up. Let me show you something. So you can see WikiCat started pumping from here. It came back a little bit, started pumping, started going up, then came back. So and the same thing actually happened here when it pumps to this all-time high. Not all-time high. When it pumped to this height here, it started dropping back again. It was going up, it started dropping back again, and now it has reached the bottom. And look at it very well. The yellow line just crossed the blue line. And what does that tell you? That means WikiCat coin is set to pump anytime from now, because there's exhaustion in the sellers. The sellers are being pushed out by the buyers now. Anytime the buyers will start pushing the market up. Do you get it now? So that's how to use Stochastic RSI to calculate or to predict the chart. So it's very, very easy. So you can actually watch this video again if you don't understand when you were watching it for the first time. You can watch it again so that you can get it very well. So just remember how to add it. Remember, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Please smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.